Hello everyone, today we'll be exploring the functionality of the Pipedrive connector and how it operates. Let's begin by looking at the installation process for the app. Navigate to the configuration page of the app on the marketplace. Click the Install button to initiate the installation process. Enter the valid Pipedrive domain and API key, then click the Validation button to confirm. Then enter the Freshdesk domain and API key. Once validation is complete, select the agent who can manage Pipedrive configuration. Click the Save button. In the widget settings, you can configure the fields that will be displayed in the ticket page. The mandatory fields will already be configured. Any required custom fields can be mapped and saved. Click the Preview button to view the recipes. Here you can edit the recipes. Once finished editing, click the Save button. Click Start Recipe to run the process. You can monitor the logs pertaining to recipes. You can also check the account and are able to change the connection. After the recipe starts, contact and company are created. Click the Sidebar widget to get the contact-related details from Pipedrive. For any queries, contact support@arbin.com. Thank you.